Hi everyone, welcome back to our Tableau tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to learn how to connect Tableau to a relational database and then how we can pull the data using custom SQL queries. So this is my SQL Server, and here I have this database known as bike stores that we connect Tableau to. So we need to connect our Tableau to this relational database, and also I just need to pull the data where the order ID is equals to 1. So it will fetch the data that has order ID equals to 1. So let's open our Tableau application. Go to the Microsoft SQL Server, under to a server section. Here you need to provide all the details like server name and authentication. I've already provided my details, so let's click on sign in here. So you see here all the databases which are present in my SQL server listed over here. And here is my database bike stores. So let's select this and drop the sales order table here. So now you can see all the columns: order ID, customer ID, order status, etc. Now we've connected our database. Let's run a custom SQL query. To do that, go to the Data tab and click on Convert to Custom SQL. Now we don't change anything here. We're just here to copy this query because we need it later. Remove the table from here, and as we don't need it for now, click on a new Custom SQL option, and in the Edit Custom SQL box, paste the query that we just copied. And now we just need to mention the where clause where order ID equals to 1, because that's what we wanted to pull from our database. This is the way to use custom SQL queries to fetch the data, and this is a very simple query that says provide me customer ID, order date, status, etc., where order ID equals to 1 from the sales order table. Click OK, and now you will see only order ID 1 data is shown in the table. So that is the benefit of the custom SQL queries, that you can fetch any specific data from the table. You can also edit this query as well by clicking Edit Customer SQL Query. That is it for this video on connecting a relational database and using custom queries to fetch the data. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.